Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making fresh and vibrant Mediterranean chickpea salad. This is one of those recipes that's simple, wholesome, and packed with flavor. Let's start by prepping all the vegetables. I'm using one English cucumber here. I'll peel the outer layer and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Cucumber adds freshness and gives body to the salad. Next, I'm prepping green bell pepper. This is optional, but I love the crunch it adds. Try to chop all the vegetables into similar sized pieces. Now let's prep cherry tomatoes. These are absolute flavor bombs, and I love the pop of color they bring in the salad. Next, I'm adding avocado. This gives the salad a creamy texture and healthy fat. Now, some thinly sliced red onions for little sharpness. I like to gently separate the onion layers at this point. Kalamata olives adds that classic Mediterranean flavor. I sometimes use snacking olives too, totally optional. For herbs, I'm using fresh coriander leaves, but you can also use parsley if you prefer. Once everything is chopped, we are ready to assemble. Into a large bowl, add all the prepped vegetables: cucumber, cherry tomatoes, green bell pepper, red onion, avocado, olives, coriander leaves, 1 can of chickpeas that I've drained and rinsed. Chickpeas makes this salad really hearty and filling. Next goes in some crumbled feta cheese. It adds salty tangy balance that works beautifully here. Now for a simple homemade dressing. In a small bowl, combine extra virgin olive oil, fresh lime juice, red wine vinegar, a little honey for subtle sweetness, salt and black pepper. Whisk everything together until well combined. This dressing is light but super flavorful, and it ties the whole salad together. Pour the dressing over the salad. Now gently toss everything together. Try not to overmix, especially because of the avocado and feta. We want to keep those nice and chunky. Take your time so everything gets evenly coated. You can adjust salt and pepper here if needed. To finish, sprinkle with a little more feta on top. You can also add extra herbs or a drizzle of olive oil if you like. And that's it, a fresh, colorful Mediterranean chickpea salad. This salad is so incredibly refreshing and satisfying, and honestly, I could eat this almost every day.